Uh, of course, today is a great day. Not only because uh, I celebrate my 12th anniversary today, but today we got a great news that the biggest player in the industry, which is Reliance, Reliance Jio, has been invested by FB, which is Facebook, and the news is that they have taken almost 10% stake in that company, and Reliance is planning to come up in a big way in digitalization of these kirana shop and everything. So I think this news gave me some real boosters. I cannot tell you how excited I am today. So I have just done a brief homework from my side. What does this actually mean to all of us? Because we are also in this space since long, and till date there were always people who always talk to me that you are on a very ambitious product. It is not something that is going to happen. I think Mr. Ambani entering this, people will actually change their thought. So now let's see first of all what Mr. Ambani said, and there are few very peculiar points which I have actually jotted down, and I just wanted to tell you all. So let's first see what Mr. Ambani said today.
Geo are delighted to welcome Facebook Inc. as our long-term and esteemed partner. At the core of our partnership is the commitment that Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, and I share for the all-around digital transformation of India and for serving all Indians. Together, our two companies will accelerate India's digital economy to empower you, to enable you, and to enrich you. Our partnership will be a great catalyst to make India the world's leading digital society. Over the past few years, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram have become household names in India. WhatsApp, in particular, has entered our people's daily vocabulary in all the 23 official languages of India. WhatsApp is not just a digital application, it has become Aapka or Hum Sabka Pyara Dost, a friend who brings together families, friends, businesses, information seekers, and providers. The combined power of Geo's world class digital connectivity platform and Facebook's intimate relationship with the Indian people will offer innovative new solutions to each one of you. In the very near future, GeoMart, Geo's digital new commerce platform, and WhatsApp will empower nearly 3 crore small Indian Kirana shops to digitally transact with every customer in their neighborhood. This means all of you can order and get faster delivery of day to day items from nearby local shops. At the same time, small kiranas can grow their businesses and create new employment opportunities using digital technologies. And in the days to come, this winning recipe will be extended to serve other key stakeholders of Indian society: our kisans, our small and medium enterprises, our students and teachers, our healthcare providers, and above all, our women and youth who form the foundation of a new India. Our visionary and most respected Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, has set two ambitious goals in his Digital India mission: ease of living for all Indians, especially for the common Indian, and ease of doing business for all entrepreneurs, especially for the small entrepreneur. Today, I assure you that the synergy between Geo and Facebook will help realize these two goals. Finally, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you good health and safety in the current extraordinary situation in India and around the world. We are all in this together, and together we will overcome this pandemic. Corona harega, India jeetega. With our collective efforts, India will surely emerge stronger, healthier, and better. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Okay, so you heard Mr. Ambani. I think he was very clear in his statement that he will use, first of all, WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is already has penetrated the entire India and the world, right? So let's talk about only India. Now WhatsApp uses is already available to Global Garner also. Why? Because WhatsApp is a free platform, right? Anyways, Global Garner has also integrated WhatsApp for our consumer to vendor talks, right? Now our consumer can directly talk to a vendor on WhatsApp, or you as a user. So we have integrated WhatsApp in our Global Garner app. So that is first thing that he wants to use is also available with Global Garner. Second strategy is that now they will actually use Facebook and the entire ecosystem to build a super app, right? They are calling it a super app, which will have almost everything, which is like social media, gaming, flight, hotel booking, among the features, right? So they will have all these things. So I think this is already part of Global Garner, which you have already seen, and we have many other things also. This is just a small kitty that they are actually integrating in them. But whereas Global Garner has the entire economy, be it all internet websites, be it all mega brand vendors who have offline stores, and the biggest part, which Mr. Ambani just told, that they want to include 3 crore retail shop owners, and he's talking about 3 crore retail of Kirana stores only. This is some data which actually I also didn't have. There are 3 crore Kirana shop to be digitalized, right? And digitalization, as we always say, has a cost. So they have also thought to make it a minimum this thing. They will be giving it at almost 3,000 rupees, whereas others are giving it for 50,000 or 30,000 or 55,000. But they have decided that they will give it for 3,000 rupees. But now you have to again think of, now what is the opportunity of a vendor from Global Garner side, right? So सबसे पहले तो this is free digital package. We are not even charging 3,000 rupees for that digitalization of a vendor, right? So I don't think so. That is a big problem today. Digitalization, even you don't require, as a vendor with Global Garner, you don't even require 3,000 rupees. So that is first opportunity, and Reliance is stopping here only. Please understand, Reliance is stopping here only. Whereas what Global Garner is extending to our vendors is that postpaid sales service. Still, they will get digital, but there is no postpaid sales service. There would be no third party who will be actually promoting their product or selling their product. Whereas in Global Garner, vendors' product gets sold, right? And biggest part is it gets sold online also and offline also, which is the biggest chunk is still in India, right? We all use WhatsApp, but we all don't do transaction online. That data we have also shared thousands of times, that only 2% people in India can transact online or actually do transaction online. So the bigger chunk, which is offline, is already integrated in Global Garner. Third one is, again, they will give the digitalization, but again, there is no reward structure for a consumer, right? So whereas in Global Garner, you better know what are the reward structure, and those are very high and rewarding reward structure. So that Kirana shop, which is a small merchant, can now give a reward which is actually absorbed in, let's say, Central Mall or all such brands which we already have. I will not repeat those here. Then Of course, increase in sale is increase in margin for a local vendor, right? Exclusivity. If Reliance is talking about getting digitalization of 3 crore shops of only in Kirana, therefore it means they will digitalize and give this to everyone. But whereas Global Garner will be selective in choosing a vendor who actually deserve that exclusivity, and we will make him an exclusive vendor in 1 kilometer radius, right? So you better know what is the importance of exclusivity now, right? Plus, whatever commission a vendor is paying to Global Garner, he can also get 2 times coins, Global Garner rewards, which he can convert into real money in my circle, right? So this facility is also not there. Now, the third one, and the again a very big one, which is now he can create his own digital vouchers, which is still not there, right? And if it is there, it is not clear. Must be some extra cost for that. And now the above all is, now if a vendor wants to sell other people's product, he can also buy this UPOS from us and start selling the entire ecosystem of Global Garner to anyone and everyone. So I think this is the opportunity. They will just start. Understand, please understand this. They will just start. They will have they will have to recruit a team. They have to train them, and they will go in market and ask vendors to get digitalized, and will ask for money. Whereas we don't ask any money from the vendor. First of all, they have to only pay when sales is happening, and these are the bundled offer for a vendor, which I don't think so. Still they are thinking of it, right? And they still will take some time to start. Now, what does this mean in Global Garner? How we want to expand? They have to recruit team. What we are doing? Let's say we start today, though we have reached almost 90% of India. But let's say we start today. This month we recruit all 15 state heads. These state head recruit almost 15 each their MCP. You already know we have crossed almost 80 MCP, but let's say in May 2020 we recruit all MCPs, which is in 1 month's time state head recruits his 15 people MCP team, right? Then MCP also takes the entire month, 30 days to complete their CPs. Again, CP also take the entire month to complete their ACPs, that is July 2020, right? And let's say now ACP takes another 1 month, which is August 2020 to recruit their partners. And now I am talking about only 5 partners, correct? So by August our team will be 100% in market, 100%. Now there would be no area in the country which will be vacant from Global Garner side. So all we need to do is just cover our pin code, and rest, if everyone will cover their pin code, the entire India will be covered by Global Garner. Now this will also, let's say we work for another 1 year. 1 year I am giving you that to sell these 9 lakh UPOS. That would mean that these 90,000 partners are selling only 10 UPOS in next 1 year. Entire 1 year they are taking to sell these 9 lakh UPOS and 36 lakh vendors. So by August 2021, we will have the entire ecosystem of India in Global Garner, right? Then the next phase, which we have already discussed, that the manufacturers and the franchise owners. So next 1 year we focus on that and give them all the staff they require, and free of cost. Staff cost is on Global Garner. So now the collectively, if you see, we will have in franchise and manufacturing, we'll have 30 lakh people staff, and in vendors part, if each vendor creates only 2 job opportunities, which Mr. Ambani was also talking, even 2 job opportunities, we are talking about collective of GG and these vendors, 1 crore people getting employment, right? This is really big. This is really big. Please understand this. Reliance coming in is our biggest opportunity, but they have to drive it through their sales staff, whereas we will drive this through the people. Up decide, if we have to decide, now we have to keep on clapping for others, or we want to make fortune for our own self, because we are already in the business, we are already running this. What I am saying is we start on ground zero today, whereas we have already covered 90% of the ground. Now it's just CP and ACP which has to come in. Almost 90% has work has been done. But still, if we take almost a once time to recruit only 10 people team, this is what we are going to create. Now, let's see what is the investment which has come into the Reliance, and how it has come. So first of all, Reliance started in September 2016. So it is almost like 4th year in running. They have still not completed the 4-year operation, and the basic data of there is given here. They are doing almost 11,000 crore rupees as revenue, which is almost like GMV. They are doing it quarter on quarter, so it is almost like 45,000 crore they must have done, right? So now let's see, they have done, and now for this 45,000 crore, they have charged and they have given 10% of the equity for 45,000 crores. Please understand, their net revenue which is sales, is 45,000 crores, and they have just given 10% of stake, and they have taken 45 crores, which means now the Reliance Jio alone is valued over 4.45 lakh crores. You see the equity part here. Actual equity is 70,000 crores only, but because of this deal, they are now at 4.5 lakh crores, right? Which is almost 10x of GMV. Why I am telling you this? Because we are also making our partners our shareholders. With their performance, we are not asking for money. So let's see what is an indirect benefit of shares to you all, right? Because we have reserved 1 lakh shares for you. So these will be given to at least 10,000 partners, right? So what is the earning of these partners? I'll show you in context to this what has already happened, right? So of course, 9 lakh UPOS, 36 lakhs vendors we have reached, which will 9 lakh UPOS will bring a revenue of 4,860 crores. So again, going by this same principle of Reliance, we have just multiplied by 10. So as soon as we hit our UPOS number, we are already a 50,000 crore rupee company. Today we are at 216 crore, but now as soon as we hit this, we will become 50,000 crore, right? Now these 50,000 crores plus this 9 lakh UPOS doing 20,000 rupees business with only 300 customers will bring a GMV of 5.4 lakh crore GMV, which will have a minimum valuation of 54 lakh crores. So now Global Garner currently has 5 lakh shares, and each share will value of approximately 10.8 crores, and we are giving 10 shares to each partner, and we are extending it to 10,000 partner free of cost on their performance basis only. So it is almost like having 108 crore to each partner by 2022, plus all other revenues which have been told to you as a CP, as a ACP, as a partner, as a MCP, as a state head is still there. This is an over and above incentive that you will get because of you are a partner to Global Garner in the shareholding also. So I think opportunity has come to us like anything. मुझे इसमें कोई भी people can again tell me that again these are just numbers, but guys, it is totally in our hand. Totally in our hand. Now there is such a big giant who has jumped into this business. Digitalization of the local economy. So people who used to tell me that this is an over ambitious project, this will not happen, this is the blah 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 blah. I think Mr. Ambani has brains, and you have already seen what he has done in telecom. So if he himself is entering this segment, that means first of all there is a potential in this business, right? And we are already in that business. We have studied, we have already worked in this market. So I think it is totally in our hand. Whatever number I have showed, if MCP will perform his 10 CP task, it is done. CP will perform his 10 people task, it is done. ACP will perform his 5 partners task, it is done. Partner will perform his 10 UPOS in a year's time, Babu. I am telling you, I cannot tell you what I am actually feeling. We are sitting on actually diamond mine. I'll not say it is a gold mine. We are already sitting on a diamond mine. It is totally on us how we want to encash this. People who have small minds, please leave them. Don't convince them. We only need 18,000 quality people who understand future. Don't convince other kya hoga. I don't believe in those people who will keep on doing the R&D, R&D and R&D. Their life will be R&D only. So let's focus on the core job. Let's do it. Look, UPOS, the cost of UPOS. I have also showed it in all these SOPs that the cost of UPOS is nothing. Even Amazon Easy, you have seen Shop Kirana, Shop King or Store King. It is starts from 3 lakh rupees, and that is totally not almost like you have to again go to a shop. Our UPOS is something which is beyond boundaries. You can service any customer across India, across world, wherever he is, and you can earn from it. I think what we have in hand, it is totally with us, and before even they will know how we are doing this, how, and best part is we have entire copyright on whatever processes we are doing. So even going forward, it is not threat. Even like Sahara did, they saw big potential in us. They hijacked the entire team. They bribed them with big incentives, big salaries. At that time also, I knew what we have built. Therefore, I actually got even more stubborn that I will run this company. I think Mr. Ambani coming in, I think you don't need any further VAT to this concept, that this concept is going to be next future. Digitalization is going to be next future. Are you there or not is the question to ask. So I think that was the thing that I actually wanted to tell you all. Please understand again, if you want to meet on Zoom twice a day, thrice a day, you have any query, please do it. But again, I'll say, please now start your engines. It is high time we can cover the ground in a better way, because we are already in that pin code, and now we have the tool also. You need not to build the tool has already been built by Global Garner. So I think opportunity is superly big. It is only the brain who has to accept this. We are already there. We have already placed our MCPs. Almost I think 70-80% MCPs are also there. State heads anyways 90% is already there. We only need 2 more state heads. I am seeing the vibrancy. In next 2 months, I believe that our entire team will be done. But still, if we go with the slowest speed, 2022, we will cover everything. And we will become world's biggest organization. I'm telling you. Mind my words. If we all perform, and not if, we have to just remove this if. Once we all perform in these 12 months, there is no one stopping us. I'm telling you. So let's focus on this. Anything you want to ask related to this, I'll be sending this. Keep it with you. Study this. Wherever you have any confusion, please ask me. There might be some data here and there, but I think it was some very quick data which I have tried to search on net also, tried to figure out what I need to tell you. But I think this is the biggest opportunity, because they are only focusing on the smallest thing, that is only digitalization of the vendor. We have the entire catalog for the vendor, that now vendor gets digitalized, that totally free. Today payment gateway services are no way a USP. First of all, today you have GPay also, you have WhatsApp also, you have whatever Paytm also, you have the UPI. So payment is not a big deal today. Anybody can give you payment integration. It's a simple QR, free of cost, which Global Garner is anyways doing it, right, for a vendor. But now the biggest thing is the sale part of his, the ecosystem of sales. Please understand that it is the biggest thing. I'll not sleep tonight. I am sure for that. Today I didn't wanted to actually get into the business mode, but I could not hold myself. This is the biggest opportunity I can see. So let's talk about it. I'll also request Ramesh bhai to formally let you know, because I'm not very good at communication. I just speak out. Whenever I'm excited, I just speak out. So I'll request Ramesh bhai, Raman bhaiya to prepare something for this so that people can understand anything and everything about this. Okay. So let's do it. Let's do it.